Today, take a look at the shower faucet with handheld sprayer. Okay, so we got our hose. So this is going to be for that handheld sprayer. We can see we've got these caps. I'm just going to kind of pop off. And we do have a rubber O-ring in there to make sure we got a good seal. And these all look like very good threads. It actually feels like this one is made out of metal, which is kind of surprising because most of these are made out of plastic. So it's going to have a hose with this protective covering on there. It does come with some plumber's tape, which is nice. We also got some filters and an Allen key to tighten everything down. There's even some gloves. It looks like there's actually quite a few filters in here. Wow. So this is our main shower head, and it looks like metal, but this is plastic, which in my opinion is actually better because you don't have to worry about this thing corroding at all. You can see we already got a filter installed, and this little lock right here is going to be for this pivot. So if we want to, we can put this shower head at different angles. So then when we lock this down, that is going to stay right there. We got our flow direction. We can see we got quite a few different options. So it does stop there. That's neat. So instead of having a big ring that goes around the outside, you can control it all right from here. And that is going to give you your different spray patterns from this head. Very nice large head too. I really like that. Oh, that's cool. So this is our handheld sprayer. We got a button right here, and it has that opening on the back. So this is actually going to sit right on that knob. That is very cool. We have our escutcheon plate, and it does have a rubber ring to make sure that we got a good seal. And we have our shower arm. So if we want to make sure that everything is going to match and look good, we can use this and install it. And that is a very nice look. So I'm just going to spin this guy on and thread on the hose. And I like this got this little rubber ring here, so it's actually kind of easy to grab. Drop on the handheld. It's actually kind of cool. I think that's a magnet. Yeah, that's cool. And thread the hose onto that. Got a strong blast. Cool. So that is pretty awesome.